Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at this early 2024 Shadow Cruiser 260 RBS travel trailer. This is a rear bath, front bedroom, couples coach with a slide out on it. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this RV, kind of show you what this thing's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2024 Shadow Cruiser 260 RBS couples trailer here. As you see on the floor plan, this is a rear bathroom, front bedroom unit. Let's start up here in the front bedroom, and we'll kind of work our way back. So first things up, this unit was ordered with two ACs. So you have one ducted Coleman AC right here. There's going to be another one in the back when we get back there as well. Digital thermostat over there for that second AC. Hanging closet here, USB charger ports back there, even a little shelf back there. Little hole in the side over there so you can hand things through there or set things through there. Little electric outlets down here. Some of these are inverter prepped. So if you do the inverter system, nice feature to consider adding if you're going to try to boondock camp. A little bit of storage across the top area here. The windows are deep tint safety glass windows. Both windows here in the bedroom area open. You also have TV hookups up there as well. And you can see here, nice little dresser area. There's room to maneuver around the bedroom area right here, and a big sliding door for privacy. Stepping on back here, we got our kitchen area. Decent amount of counter space. The oven is actually an air fryer oven. You have the 3-burner gas cooktop with the flip up and down glass lid, so you can have a little extra counter space if you're not cooking. Furrion hood range with the light and fan built in. Greystone microwave. Window there also opens. You have the Norcold 12-volt fridge on this one. It's roughly about 10.7 cubic foot. You have the electric box with the breakers and fuses down below. Over here you have a little bit more storage. You got a radio system right there, and you have your TV mounted right here. Now just kind of looking down the roof line, you can see a nice arch to this. You'll see it a little better when we get outside, but a nice little archway on the roof system. You have that main Coleman AC right there as well, again, ducted AC. It is also prepped, you'll see this right here, where it has a Winegard Air 360 Plus TV antenna on it, and that prepping allows you to buy the Gateway Connect feature, and then you could subscribe to like AT&T or Verizon or somebody for internet service and bring that into your RV through your TV antenna system. This dinette has storage under each side. Also will go down and make into a bed. And you can kind of see here, they did a nice little flip up thing here for storage. The floor right there on the slide is currently using that woven material. A few things just to kind of mention, because this is an early 2024 version. You may see a little bit of differences on the ones currently produced right now. A lot of the ones that are out there on the market are this version, but they usually go through a little bit of a mid-year model change. So depending on when you're watching the video, you might see some difference in some of the features, colors and stuff. So keep that in mind when you are shopping around at the dealers. Now, again, big bathroom on the back side. That is a theater seat, by the way. But back here in the back, you got a window back here that also opens. A little medicine cabinet, a lot of counter space in here, some storage underneath, foot flush toilet, step-in shower. It does have a curtain bar and stuff that goes across there. skylight above. You have AC and heat ducts both in here, along with the little fan area. All of the windows in that slide out, by the way, also open. Now, behind the entertainment area here, you have a big closet. And you're going to have your control panel also kind of tucked away in here. So your slide button, awning button, a bunch of light switch buttons, water heater on gas and electric buttons, water pump, and your monitor panels for your holding tanks. Now, when the slide is closed up, it comes in real close to the end of the counter over there, and you're not able to get to the bedroom when it's closed. However, you can come in, use your sink, use your refrigerator, use your bathroom kind of scenario, but you would want to bump it out when actually trying to get to the bedroom. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what it actually looks like closed up there. And we're going to head outside. I want to show you around the outside of the RV as well. So we'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of this brand new 2024 Shadow Cruiser 260 RBS. Starting here on the door side of the RV, we have a white fiberglass exterior, which is attached to the upgraded Azdel composite material instead of a cheaper wood Luan backer. You have a large power awning here, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, manual override in the front arm head, and adjustable arms for tilting. There is a big pass-through storage compartment right here. Now the unit has two motion lights, one on each side you can see there. It has a battery disconnect for solar. It also has a prepping for a tire link monitor system. Over here you can see the solar charge controller right there as well. Baggage doors held up by a magnetic holder. The unit does have an enclosed underbelly, also has the heavy-duty scissor stabilizer jacks. Just in front of the axles there, you can see hot and cold low point water drains and the fresh water tank drain as well. You have deep tint safety glass windows, two speakers up high out here. You also have your stove exhaust vent right there, 6-gallon gas electric water heater. You do have the furnace exhausting right here, gravity fill fresh water tank, outdoor electric outlet and cable outlet in case you wanted to put a TV out here. You have aluminum wheels, drum brakes. Right here, you're going to have a little outside kitchen area. So there's a cold water spray port here. There's a Suburban griddle here and a mini fridge as well. Just down below right there is your gas line hookup. They're currently using the heavy-duty More Ride entrance step. Comes down, touches the ground, adjustable feet, rated for 500 pounds, large folding entry handle there, traditional RV entry door and screen door as well. Onto the back area here, you have a traditional flat back rear end. It is 4-inch square. It has a 4-inch square tube bumper on the back. You have a really nice high arch to that roof line there to get the water off of it. You also have prepping in the top center there for a rear observation camera by Furrion. It's a nice feature to add on to the RV. It's also prepped there in the top right for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. That's another nice feature to consider adding as well. You have cable and satellite inlets right here, black tank flush right here, and your city water inlet right there as well. Right here is going to be your dump area for your gray and your black tanks. There's going to be another dump up front when we get up there. Detachable power cord right here, and you have another cold water spray port right here. Now the detachable power cord could be 30 amp or 50 amp, depending on how the RV was ordered. Some customers order these, or some dealers in general, order them with 1 AC, and some order them with 2. This particular one was ordered with 2, so it has 50 amp service and 2 ACs on it. Now, another thing you might consider adding to the RV is a slide out awning cover that rolls in and out with the slide room, helping to repel a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. And overall just kind of shades that room a little bit to help keep that roof of the slide out a little cooler. Now, your second dump or your galley dump is right down here. And over here, you're going to have the other side of the freshwater tank, or the other side of the pass-through storage compartment. Right here, you're going to have some important informational stickers. So first things up on this one's going to be the gross vehicle weight sticker, telling us the RV has a gross weight of 7,756 pounds. You do have a tire sticker here that's telling us ST205/75R14 D-range tires with a 65 PSI cold. Very, very important to keep up with your tire pressure. And then you're also going to have a cargo carrying capacity sticker right here, which starts talking to you about water and all this type of stuff. I'm going to put this information in the description. I think it was also at the beginning of the video as well, but you kind of get the idea. Just don't overload the RV. Very, very important on any camper. You have power tongue jack right here as well, built-in light, manual override, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, 2 20-pound propane tanks. They also have a really nice battery disconnect system here as well. There's room for 1 or 2 batteries depending on the size of the battery. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour. Please check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Thanks again.